After my last video, one of the patients called the office and asked, "Doctor, do you treat alopecia?" And I guess I didn't make it clear enough that alopecia just means hair loss or the loss of hair. And it's a Greek word, but the bottom line is whatever the cause of your hair loss, you need to find the root cause. There are some patients that have responded to just dietary changes. There was a gentleman that had a long history of slowly but surely losing his hair. He went to the doctor, visited a bunch of people, saw different opinions, and finally found the answer that by modifying his diet, he was able to regain his hair growth. So in other words, the foods he was eating was causing him to lose his hair. Can you believe that? What you put into your body actually affects your hair. It affects your whole body, all your organs, and all your senses, and your brain, and your soul, and your spirit. Another quick and easy solution for hair loss is minoxidil, or Rogaine. It's an over-the-counter treatment that many people use and have found to be very effective. But sometimes they complain, "But doctor, why is it when I stop using Rogaine, my hair loss starts all over again?" And the reason is quite plain. Hair loss is, for most patients, unlike the one patient who had the dietary issue, caused by genetic factors. In other words, you inherited the lack of ability to grow hair as an adult on the top of your head. So therefore, if you're counteracting your genetics, it will always be a factor in your life. You're constantly trying to block the effects of your natural tendencies of losing your hair to grow more hair. And we all know men and women who have never lost any hair, have never had any transplants or any issues or treatments. I myself have never undergone any treatment for hair loss. Yet I do not generally have what would be considered male pattern baldness, though my hairline has receded a bit since I was younger as a teenager, as most men do. And women in general do not have that issue, but when women start having a receding hairline, it does cause them to feel less young and less full of energy. So in order to revitalize and rejuvenate your appearance, I recommend you call my office at 805-485-8515. Dr. Johannes Ramirez, Boden, MD.